Guys, in this video, we will be learning Pandas unique function in Python. I am using editor PyCharm and Python version 3.12 is installed on my computer. You can get unique values from any of the list object, whether it is index object, whether it is series object. You can get unique values easily with the help of this function. You can use unique function directly from Pandas library by using alias, or you can use unique function on index object or series object. So let's see unique index. How we can get unique indexes? We have one simple index list here where we have duplicate indexes 1 1, 2 2 and 3 as a unique value. Okay, here what we want, by using unique function on pandas index object, we will be getting unique values right as a result. Okay, 1 2 3. Before getting started any of the implementation, you have to install pandas library on your computer first. If you have not yet installed it, you have to install by opening your command prompt, or you can open your terminal and type in one command, that is pip install pandas. Once you execute this command, pandas library will be installed on your computer, right? So let me import pandas library quickly. Import. So I'm saying indexes and pd.index, right? Okay, here I'm going to take same values. If you print this indexes object and you're in the program, so you will see your index values in the output window, right? So what we have to do, we have two ways, right? Either we can apply the unique function on this object itself, right? That is the first way. If you run the program, so you will get your unique value, right? 1 2 and 3. Okay, second way, you can use pd.unique function. Okay, and you can pass your index object, right? So what it will return, it will return you unique hash table values, right? And you print it, then you will see the same output, right? In both the statement we will be getting same output, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, if you want to get the type of this result, so you will see it is 1D array. Okay, okay, this is 1D numpy and D array, right? Now let's see how we can get unique elements from pandas series. As you can see here, we have unique series. We have some series values in cells. Okay, some elements are duplicated in cells. Okay, we want to get the unique sales values, right? Now what we will do, we will first create a simple series, pd.series function. If you print it, so you will get your series right in the output window. Okay, this is very simple series. Here we are also getting a one row index, right? Okay, 0 to 4. Use unique function right on the object itself. If you get the unique values, so you will be able to see the unique elements, right? We have another way, same as indexes. Let me make result 1 and then say pd dot unique, and we can pass nd array, right, which is our s1. If you print result 1, so you will get the same elements, right? You see, in both the statement we are getting the same thing. Okay, either of the way we can use. If you want to know what is the type of result 1, so you can find it easily with the help of type function. Okay, which means it will return nd array, right? Okay, you see, it is returning numpy nd array. So here we have seen how we can get unique elements from pandas indexes or pandas series, right?
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.